Andrii, I'd like to sign up for the free Odoo apps on the Unitsoft website. Can you guide me through the process and explain what I need to do to start working with these apps? I'm curious to see how much time it will take from the first click to creating my first customer invoice.
Sure, Sophia. Go ahead and sign up.
Alright, I have landed on the main page of unitsoft.ca. I can see the option to get your free apps, CRM, sales, and invoicing. Is this where I can access the free apps?
Yes, you can also click on the direct link on the description of this video.
There's a simple form with 4 mandatory fields: name, email, company, and country. I like that no credit card information is required.
You can also include your address and other optional information to save time for printing your first invoice from the system. You can repeat your name and last name in the company field if your business is not incorporated.
It took me just 10 seconds to fill in the form.
After submitting the form, you will receive an email with login credentials within seconds.
I've just received a welcome email in my mailbox. It includes the login link and my credentials. I copied the password and clicked on the link to log in. It was a simple and quick login process, taking less than a minute. What's the next step, Andrii? Please guide me through the initial setup process.